Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add Gmail account in another phone, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Gmail app. If you haven't already, make sure to download the latest version from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Next, tap on the menu icon, then select the option that says Add an email address. From the list of options, choose Google. Step 3. Now it's time to verify your identity. Enter your device password, fingerprint, or any other security method you have set up. Wait a few seconds for the process to complete. Step 4. Once verified, type in your Gmail email address carefully. Double-check to make sure there are no mistakes. Then tap on the Next button. Step 5. After that, enter your Gmail account password correctly. Once done, tap on the Next option and wait for a few moments. You will then see the Terms and Conditions page. To proceed, tap on I agree. Follow any additional steps if prompted. Step 6. To confirm that your Gmail account has been successfully added, close the Gmail app and reopen it. You should now see your added account listed in the app. That's it. You've successfully added your Gmail account to another phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.